Okay, so this is, as you can see, Cosmonious High School. Now, I have played this before. In fact, I usually rave about this being one of my favorite earlier games that I played when I first got the MetaQuest 3. I did a full playthrough on my other channel, Vamp Plays. I thought I would come back here though, just so, because, okay, I was brand new when I first played this, so I thought it would be kind of cool if I just went a little bit to see how it is now. Now that I actually know how to do VR. Yeah, okay, see, this it's actually pretty cool. Now, I did finish the whole playthrough on this, so I kind of get to run down and show you guys some of the cool things, like switching powers in this game. Pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty awesome. And, that's how you shoot the power. And then, since you have two hands, you can actually do two different powers. And that game was all about solving puzzles. Yeah. And even after we beat the game, it still lets you potentially solve puzzles if you want. Okay, so they want to search around, search about and stuff. And then basically, these are everything we got. These are like everything we needed to get. Okay, so we are there. We want to get to the Grand Hall. So basically, this is after the end, okay? Okay, we are going to go through here because that's just how we do things. And then we had to solve that puzzle, but I don't think we ever actually solved that puzzle. I'll be honest, this was a bit harder than you'd think to me before. Let's go to something we know we can maybe do. This. This gives the power to make things bigger and smaller. Okay. It's so we can actually make it the same size as the rest, which I'd like to think we succeeded at. Okay. Oh, wait, is that one too big now? Okay. Okay. That one too big, which means we have to make. Okay, we have to actually select it. Okay. Okay, there we go. They all look right. Okay, now it's that one. Make it a bit smaller. Too small. Okay, there we go. That was a job well done. Okay. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Because, okay, so this game was all about solving puzzles while using your abilities. Okay, like for example, this one I still have fire enabled, right? Which is good because we actually need fire. The fire will burn that away. I think water also technically got rid of that. I don't remember, but yeah. And then this is the astral area, which I believe we completed, but I'm gonna go in anyway. Because see, we at one point had to go in to do like all the challenges here. And we did complete the challenges, which is pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And we can here store stuff. Oh, avoided for. I'll show you guys a void real quick. It's a backpack. See, we have all kinds of stuff. This is the picture we took of a void monster thingy. Yeah. See, because she wanted to take pictures for the yearbook. Yeah. And this is just a random dice I found. Looks kind of cool, right? This is, yeah. Oh, okay. And then these are just random coins that I found. Maybe I'll try giving a coin to him and see what's up. Yeah. You want a coin, dude? Okay, okay. Okay. Ah, okay. I'll be honest, I was only half expecting that to work, but I'm fully expecting it to work. Yep. See, now we can take her coffee cup just because, man, just because.
But why?
Whoops. Whoops. Sorry, dude. Okay, what about you? Okay, she doesn't seem to want to play any games. Okay, so she will try to catch things that are in her vicinity, I suppose. Yeah, unless they get too low. Yeah, see, she caught that. Wait, how many things can she catch? Okay, she caught 4. Now, can she catch 4 more? That's the question. Oh, okay, so she lets stuff go to catch new things. Okay.
Not really into persuasive.
Okay. As you can see, they are actual students. I can tell you, though, one thing about this, if you're expecting some, like, super villainous plot, whatnot, you might be a bit disappointed. Okay, so there is actually a way to connect these. Now, I will be honest, if you're in a like limited spot, this gets annoying because basically what you have to do is you have to get down here and then connect that. It will technically stay, but they are very fragile, so keep that in mind. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're in a spot where you actually can do this.
I was gonna ask the same thing.
And then connect this to her, like an IRL spot. And then if you're not, you'll just have to move over a bit until you are. That's probably the only downside I even have with this game. If you don't have a lot of actual space, then it gets a bit tricky to connect stuff. But luckily, since I understand the world a bit more, or how the games work in VR, I realized that I can literally just turn to where I need it to be, and then I would continue this by getting a bit closer, of course, and then matching this to here. And then what it does is it magically fixes it. And oh, there's a fire down there. So what we'd want to do is switch to water. Put out the fire. Okay. Or water not even reaching down there. Okay, well, that was interesting, I guess. Oh, wait, did that mean we can technically get on here? Yes, it does. Okay. Wait, water not actually getting rid of the fire, so we might want to freeze it out. Okay, we can't freeze it out. We will get rid of the fire if it's the last thing we do. It might be the last thing we do.
No.
Okay, let's see.
Sadness of melted dreams. The puddles that were once hope.
What happens if we watered that? Oh, another thing. Okay, to a different angle, maybe. Yeah, we got rid of the fire, guys. We did it. I think that's everything, okay? We weren't able to do all this stuff before. I will warn you, if you're not used to VR yet, yes, this is a good learning game, but things do still get a bit trippy sometimes if you're not used to VR, okay? Because when I first played this, I swore up and down that I had to move everything, and my brain like literally was like, oh, we're actually in the world type thing. I'm really going to fall off. That is not the case at all. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it. Luckily, we were actually able to solve, looks like, all the problems in this area. We actually weren't able to in the main game, but this is like the post game. This is like a ball game of sorts. Okay, let's go over to them.
Ton, do you trust me?
Nope.
When have I ever
Okay.
First day of school ever? You gooed my locker.
Yeah, see?
incredibly accurate memory and
Yeah,
brilliant
see?
sense of humor?
I knew he would like playing
Wow,
the game.
this is the best.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll be honest. I'm going to end it off here. I literally just want to show you guys stuff. Maybe if you guys are interested, I might do a follow-up either on here or on my other channel, Vamp Plays. You know, a follow-up to the follow-up, if you will. But yeah, I think I'm going to end it off here. Hopefully this gave you guys like a little more interested in the game in general. If it did, feel free, and you choose to purchase it, you can either use the link in the description below, or you can use code TECH at checkout to save 10%, and it does support me and the channel. So I thought I'd mention that. And it said congratulations because, like I said in the beginning, we technically completed the game, but it lets you go back and do puzzles if you so wish. If you want 100% complete stuff and what have you. But yeah, I'm going to end it up here. I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.